Hi, I'm April Allen.
I'm Shauna McKnight.
And we are going to be teaching you how to cook squash in the dorm room. So, to start off, I am going to have the carnival squash.
This is a butternut squash.
Okay, so the ingredients we will be using is brown sugar, which costs $1 at Walmart,
Squash, obviously.
and butter. And the first thing you have to do is you're going to want a plate and put your squash on the plate, very simply, and you put them in the microwave. And it's done!
We cut it in between the lines, and this knife isn't very long, maybe a couple inches, so we just stuck it as far in as we could. Here we're pulling open the squash. Look at that.
So you'll notice when you open it up that there's seeds inside. You'll need to remove these. Hot. Okay, so now that they're like this, we're ready to put the butter and brown sugar in them. That's the best part. You put about just a knifeful in. We don't really measure things here at school, and I know that, so about just a spoonful or so. It doesn't matter, but it'll end up looking like this.